We have all been there. You are trying to plan a complex project, and suddenly you have 20 browser tabs open. You are bouncing between documents, spreadsheets, and search results, trying to hold the entire plan in your head at once. Older AI models often function like an assistant in another room. You can slide a single question under the door, and they will slide an answer back. But they are disconnected from the actual work happening on your desk. Google Gemini is built to sit at the desk with you. It acts as a digital chief of staff that has the context to manage multi-step projects from start to finish. Gemini uses a single unified brain to process text, images, sound, and code all at the same time. By synthesizing these different streams simultaneously, the system can take your raw ideas and output a single, neatly organized project file that combines everything you need. Perceiving the entire scope of a project across these different formats allows the system to begin coordinating the various digital tasks that usually slow you down. Let's see how this works in reality. Imagine launching a marketing campaign. Take a look at this video of a chaotic, messy whiteboard. Real-world brainstorming rarely starts with a perfectly formatted document. It starts with scribbles and erased marker smudges. Instead of spending an hour typing up those scribbles, you can simply take a photo of the whiteboard and upload it to Gemini, right alongside a quick audio voice memo explaining what you were thinking. Gemini uses its digital eyes and ears to analyze both inputs at once. It maps out the layout of your whiteboard diagram while simultaneously transcribing the specific instructions in your voice memo. You bypass the manual typing entirely. Your raw, unstructured thoughts are immediately converted into organized digital data, ready for the next step. Once the idea is outlined, you hit the most tedious part of any project, gathering the factual data and building the technical infrastructure to make it happen. This is where Gemini acts as an autonomous investigator through a feature called Deep Research. This diagram shows deep research in action. The central document branches out to independently check live web information against your uploaded files. It pulls those facts back to build a detailed report without clicking through a single search result. Beyond research, Gemini handles technical execution. If your project needs software, you describe how you want it to work in plain English, and the system translates your logic into actual programming code. Here is how it helps when things go wrong. This branching diagram shows Gemini tracing technical errors. When it finds a problem, the red node, it traces the logic backward to pinpoint the root cause and suggest a correction. By taking on the roles of both your lead researcher and your technical expert, Gemini accelerates the most time-consuming phases of project development. Research and code are helpful, but they lose their value if you have to manually copy and paste them between different apps. Gemini solves this by connecting directly to your tools through extensions. By typing a simple @ symbol, you can ask Gemini to take the research report it just built and format it directly into a Google Doc. This routing diagram shows how extensions connect your favorite tools. Gemini acts as a central hub, pulling sales numbers from a spreadsheet and summarizing an email thread to keep your team informed. It can even review the text you just wrote and generate a custom header image for your campaign document. The result is workflow continuity. You move from a raw idea to a finished asset without ever leaving your primary workspace. Once the project is complete, you can take a breath. But eventually, you will have to do similar tasks all over again. To prevent starting from scratch every time, you can use gems. These are customized versions of Gemini, built to handle your specific repetitive tasks. This split screen compares the standard experience with a gem. Instead of the generic tool on the left, you set specific instructions once to create the specialized tool on the right. It becomes a dedicated assistant that remembers exactly how you like to work. You are building a personalized team of experts that can handle your routine work at scale. Gemini is an intelligent layer operating quietly in the background across your entire digital life. This three-tiered graphic shows how Google scales intelligence. Top-tier Gemini Pro handles highly complex, logic-heavy tasks. Middle-tier Gemini Flash delivers exceptional speed for rapid, simultaneous tasks. Bottom-tier Gemini Nano runs securely on your phone without internet. This ecosystem even extends into the physical world. Through Gemini Live, it manages hands-free voice conversations and coordinates your snared home. The next time you open your browser, try a different approach. Stop asking simple, isolated questions. Assign a complete project, or use an extension to pull data from your documents. By treating Gemini as a collaborative chief of staff, you unlock an entirely new, friction-free way to work.